Hey YouTubers, Papa Kind here. I've always liked old semi trucks, and for all you truckers, here's one for you. Cabover called Temper Room. Got a lot of patina on this one. Old Peterbilt, number 86. I've always liked the conventional cabovers. Peterbilt. This looks good, don't he? He's got a lot of good patina on him. You can tell this is a work truck. Awesome. I like the cabovers a lot. Sheraton, Iowa. Awesome. There's quite a few here, actually. We got us a Volvo. Always a nice driving truck, I suppose. Made by Volvo. Should ride sweet. And here we have an International Eagle. I believe it's a Lone Star. See that? Lone Star. Look at the grill on that. That's awesome. Beautiful blue color, too. Looks like Batman's semi. 980. Beautiful truck. Nice pinstriping. Lone Star. This truck's out of Florida. There's another nice blue. Aero cab. Kenworth. Kenworth's a good brand. Been around for a long time. Beautiful blue. Swan riding high. Kenworth badge. Always a huge, intimidating grill. And then we have the old Freightliner. Always a good, dependable truck, I heard. This is the classic XL version. I always like the big chrome air cleaners. Hi YouTubers, Papa Kind. Be kind, please. Stop for a drive today with the wife. We love driving around Iowa. And here's another, something you don't see a lot of, is another conventional, another cabover, a Freightliner this time. I always like the color blue. I think it's yellow and blue, I think, are my favorite colors. I always like the cabovers. They look pretty cool. Not good for mileage, but you know, it's a real work truck. I like the chrome rims. Everybody likes chrome. Old school. Alright, well YouTubers, you have yourself a great day. Remember, be kind to everybody and kindness will come back to you. Help me spread kindness and subscribe. Have a great day.